of overlapping.
So what's the difference?
There's no difference. These are quite similar points, but I don't
But
know
it,
why they have kept it different.
so if we
Maybe wait.
mention these two,
Oh, one sec, Thiru. So when they say some emissions are scattered within the sample, what do you understand by this thing?
it means that when a sample when it emits like it emits it's when it's scattered, right? That means it's in all directions.
Hmm.
So technically that implies that the detector won't be able to detect from all
Yes,
directions.
that's why I said if there is an overlap between 1 and 3. So it's a bit confusing, but to ignore the third part also. It's sort of overlapping. Second point is good enough. Some emissions are absorbed before reaching
Yeah,
detector. And
that's
fourth point is also clear. Fine. Rakin, check once done. Rakin, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Right.
Okay. Just tell me once done.
You can move on. I'll take a screenshot and
Okay.
complete it later.
Fine. No need to take screenshot. I'm going to send everything in the notes. This is from 2022. A theoretical question starting. Okay. What do we write here?
the energy released when a nucleus when a nucleus is formed from its constituent nucleons.
Good. And there was the other variation as well, the opposite variation.
I don't remember that one. I just remembered one
Okay.
of them.
It's that is good enough to get 1 mark, but have a look. They have written the opposite. Energy required to separate the nucleons to infinity. See, this word infinity is crucial to get the full marks. Even in your case, Thiru, you need to mention infinity. And now the second part is a graph. If once done,
So
solve,
nucleons. So they mean nucleus to nucleons.
repeat.
So they mean the energy. They're talking about the first definition, right? The other definition, not the one which I spoke about.
They are talking about the other definition. Yes.
That's it.
What's the shape of this graph? This is that question which I was referring. Yes, this is correct. But you need to be careful. Draw the end. Yes, this is better. Okay, so if you delete this, I'll draw here.
Also, sir,
Mhm.
can we have an offline class sometime soon? Like I'm coming on Sunday anyways.
Sunday, I'm not here. Mm,
Okay.
I go there on Mondays and Fridays. Are you coming to Friday by any chance or Monday?
I can try to come on Friday.
Fine. That day we'll discuss Thursday or Wednesday.
Fine.
Need to check with Harshit also. Classes should not overlap. Does he take your class, Thiru, on Friday?
I mean, his schedule varies from on a week to week basis. So yesterday we did have a class here on Friday.
So you came to the center?
No, no, online.
Okay, okay.
That's it.
By the way, Monday, is it school for you or is it off?
There's
Thiru?
school. There is school.
Oh, chalo, never mind. Fine. Rakin, done with this?
Yes, sir.
That's it. This is that same graph which I was referring to. Next, B part of the same question. Read carefully. Okay. What do we write? First part, state the name of this type of nuclear process. Rakin. Yes, fusion, nuclear fusion. Did you say fusion or fission, Thiru?
Fusion. Fusion.
Fusion. Second, explain with your reference to your line. Line means that graph. With reference to that graph, why this reaction results in release of energy. What exactly do we write?
Sir, I said that the stability of the nucleus increases when the reactants fuse together, and a higher binding energy per nucleon and a higher stability indicates a higher binding energy per nucleon, and
Correct?
due to that, and like the helium will have a fixed energy, right? So the remaining energy is known as like the release of energy.
True. But the question was with reference to the graph. So you need to relate with this graph
Yeah,
somehow.
the binding energy.
How do we connect? Tell me.
It go. That's why I said the binding energy per nucleon increases.
One sec. Correct. That is right. So let me show you the official solution first and let's compare. Here we go. Read this. So this is your point, Thiru. Helium-3 has higher binding energy per nucleon than H2, implying more stability.
Got it.
Parkin, please check. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me once done writing.
Okay.